Hey guys, what's up? How you guys doing? I'm going to show you guys how to do a DIY egg white face mask. So if you're suffering from whiteheads and blackheads, because I have a lot of whiteheads and blackheads on my face, like it's because if you like zooming down, you see everything. And I've been doing a lot of research on how to get rid of whiteheads and blackheads, and I can the easiest and the cheapest way, egg. Yep, egg are great skincare products and they are very good for getting rid of whiteheads and blackheads. And in order to do that, you need to do a face mask for it. So I'm showing you guys how to make an egg white face mask. So first of all, you break an egg, that is one egg, in a plate. Then you remove the yolk. The yolk is not needed, just the egg white. So once you remove the yolk, you beat the egg white until it is foamy or fluffy, or the color change. Just keep beating it. Actually, this is what it will look like. So while I was trying to remove the yolk, some of it fell inside, so that's why it showing this color right now. But this is what it will, but it should be whiter than this, guys. Just make sure that the yolk doesn't get inside. So that then you use a makeup brush and use it to apply. Please apply on a damp face. Like, I actually use water to rinse my face first. Apply on it. You can use warm water to wash your face so that it will open up your pores. Then this will be able to go inside. So you apply with a brush all over your face. I was supposed to do this. Please do this in the morning and at night. This is what's the time now? Just like basically 4, more like evening. Yeah, I was supposed to do this in the morning, but you know how it is now. This is Saturday. This is in the morning and at night. Make sure just rub it all over your face, like all over your face, all over your face, everywhere. Most of my white heads are basically my nose and my chin. Like, it's so embarrassing. Oh my god, I can't even like take pictures or use powder. Like, they are so obvious. I really do not like them. So after doing this all over your face, apply to the affected area. So you can use one, sorry, I have to clean my hands, I'm using a tissue. Yep, one egg can be used twice. So you whisk it and use one part for your face in the morning and the other part in the night. So for a month you can actually use one crate of egg, and that's like 1,000, 1,2 for a crate of egg. You can use it for a month if you so then you get a tissue. I'm actually using a serviette. I don't want to show. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to show you the brand. I'm actually using a serviette for this. You can use tissue, use serviette, because I mean it can cover my entire face. You can actually use it and cover your entire face. Then you start marking out the eye part and the nose part, or you can cut them into pieces. And this part for my chin. There's actually a mirror right in front of me. So yep, this one part for the chin. And yeah, so you apply another layer of egg white over the tissue like this, and this is what you keep doing Hi guys, so this is how it looks when it is dried. So you have to leave it on for 30 minutes. Allow it to dry for 30. Do not blow dry it. Allow it to dry, air dry for 30 minutes. To pull this, please do not forget, pull upward. Pull upward. Don't pull like this. Pull it upward like this. See? And boom, boom. This is what the face mask will look like. See, everything is like glued together. Yep. So if you look closely at this tissue paper, like you will see those white heads that's been pulled, like you will see them on the tissue paper. I wish I can show you guys, but I don't have a good camera. I'm basically using my phone. So like if you look at it, you would see those white heads, those black heads, like you will see them glued to the tissue. So keep doing this continuously, and once you pull it off, rinse your face with lukewarm water. Do not use hot water, lukewarm water, so that it can close your pores. So rinse your face off with lukewarm water, and apply your oil, either coconut oil, almond oil, whatever it is that you apply on your face. I'm actually going to take my bath now. So that's the end of the video, guys. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'll do more DIYs, okay, because I actually have skincare problem. Like I used to have lots of acne on my face, and yes, I was one of those people that used to pop pimples and peel it. I have a lot of like dark spot. Like if I should make my hair, like you guys will see the dark spot all coming out, but it's all good. So I'll make more videos as time goes on. So bye guys.